Hello, I'm Judi, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So, as you probably read in the title, in today's video, we will be doing another DIY project. And the project that we're doing is the acrylic dry erase board. So I came across this board a few months ago and I was actually going to purchase it from this company. And after really deciding on whether I should purchase it, because they're not cheap, I decided to create it myself. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this board here, and I hope it motivates you and inspires you to get creating. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first step is to get all of your supplies and material together. And the material and supplies you need are a drill, you need a pencil, and you'll need a drill bit. The drill bit I'm using is a 1/2 inch drill bit. I'm not sure the actual name for this particular type of drill bit, but I will leave everything below. You'll also need some type of tape. I'm using painter's tape, but you can use masking tape. You can also use Scotch tape. This will protect your board from cracking when you are drilling. And you'll also need some standoffs, which are small brackets that adhere the board to the wall. Plus it does add style to the board. You'll also need a ruler. I'm using this type of ruler, which is an 18 inch by 3 inch ruler, but you can always use the standard 12 inch ruler. And you'll also need a wooden board, which will help with drilling your holes. This will prevent it from going through the flat surface the acrylic board is sitting on. And you'll also, of course, need an acrylic board. I purchased mine from the Home Depot, and you can purchase yours from any big box company similar to Home Depot. And they have various sizes and shapes that will fit your style. So, after you have all your material, it's now time to start creating. Because the acrylic sheet does come with a protective film on it, you should keep it on until you're ready to display it or hang it on the wall. This is going to protect it. Again, add more layer to it as you're drilling the sheet. So I've determined that adding 6 holes, therefore 6 standoffs, to the sheet will be perfect for this sheet because it's extremely long. I know you may not be able to tell on camera, but it's pretty long. So next, or step 3, I'm gonna create a mark 2 inches from the edge and place the painter's tape on the marks that I've created. So once you've created your measurements, then you will add your painter's tape. And once you've added the painter's tape, then you will mark off where you want your standoffs to sit. All right, now it's time to start drilling. So you're gonna take your cordless drill and your drill bit and insert it, of course. Make sure it's tight in there. And then you're gonna start drilling a hole in your acrylic sheet. Oh, before I do that, I need to take my wooden plank and place it underneath. There's no turning back now. Five more to go. The film also protects your sheet from getting fingerprints all over it. which is good. You know, you don't want to be cleaning fingerprints off. At least I don't. It's probably a good thing I didn't get my nails done. I'm going to now take the board and mark the area where I will be placing the board on the wall. So really just mark those 6 holes that I've created, and that will allow the drilling to be easy. The standoffs do come with screws, which will have to be drilled into the walls. So now it's time to do that. The standoff comes screwed together, and you just unscrew it. And then you add the screw. The screws come with it, and you just literally just insert it in. There's a smaller hole in the back for the screw to attach to the wall. So hope you can see that. So it's pretty simple. All right, let's go ahead and start drilling. Yikes, you gotta be really straight with this. Oh, wow. What's that? You can also use a screwdriver instead of your drill. Pretty solid. Bam. Ooh, this is the most satisfying part. This thing fits. And that is it. The acrylic dry erase board is now created. Now I have a place where I can write all of my ideas, my project plans, inspirations, affirmations, whatever it is. I have a place for them, and it's a custom piece. So let me ask you guys a question. Let me know in the comment section below what you would place on your acrylic board if you created one or had one. Let me know. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you and you soon. Bye.